Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your revenue streams with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your PayPal account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the Tools menu. Click on All Tools to explore the available features. Select PayPal Payments Standard to set up a payment button. Follow the prompts to customize your button according to your business needs. Choose the type of button you want, such as a Buy Now or Donate button. Set the item name, price, and any additional options you'd like to include. Once customized, click Create button to generate the HTML code. Copy the HTML code provided for your button. Now, head to your website or e-commerce platform. Access the page where you want to add the button. Paste the HTML code into the desired section of your web page. Save your changes and preview the page to ensure the button displays correctly. Next, consider integrating PayPal with your online store. Go to Account Settings and find the Account Access section. Enable API access to integrate with various platforms seamlessly. Review the settings to customize your payment preferences. Explore the option to set up recurring payments or subscriptions, if applicable. Once you've finalized your payment settings, promote your PayPal options to your customers. Leverage social media and email marketing to inform your audience. Consider using PayPal's invoicing feature for service-based businesses. Create professional invoices and send them directly to clients. Monitor your transactions regularly through the PayPal dashboard. Use PayPal's analytics tools to assess your revenue streams. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather. Explore additional features like PayPal Credit and Pay in 4 to offer flexible payment options. These features can engage more customers and increase your sales. Continuously improve your payment processes to enhance customer satisfaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.